Okay, Rua do Teatro. So we'll be going down this seemingly dark alley, but there's a lot of stuff happening right here. And there's actually a lot of interesting stuff all around it as well. It is dark out. Oh, Patio de Eterna Felicidade. Seen that before. There's another one, Mercury. There's kind of a cool little artwork right there too. Try to catch all that. This would be our focus one right here. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Teatro. So before we go down, I just want to show you a couple other streets real quick, including this little Patio de Eterna Felicidade. Oh, it's locked up. I walked down here once a long time ago. Now it's like, maybe it's closed now. But a long time ago I filmed there maybe twice, maybe a year and a half ago, a year and a half ago. And then it's closed. That's kind of cool too. I also wanted to show this little thing right here. Kind of cool artwork. It's nice. Okay, so we're gonna go down Rua do Teatro. See what it looks like. And I was kind of intrigued a little bit because there's all these kind of shops like this. So I started to walk down it, and then I was like, oh, this is worth filming as well. It's interesting stuff. All the way down, everywhere you go. Even though it's dark outside, there's Sofitel Hotel straight ahead. Yeah, these things you just never know what you're gonna run into. Here's a little temple right here, closed, but there's an apartment building above it. So a dark stretch, but it's still okay. And we're gonna come out to another spot that I haven't seen in a while. I don't really come down. There's so many little alleys everywhere around this part of Macau that it's like not so common to walk down all of them because there's just so many different ones, right? Another alley right there too. Oh, it's kind of cool. I think I went down that alley on the other side of it. Fine, going all the way down. Okay, so we're going to come out to a China tea shop. Let's just see if this street ends. It's called Rua de Teatro. So there's a little market right there. So this could be the end of our street. But that was our beginning of our street, Rua de Teatro. Then we might be ending it right here. This kind of vegetable place right there. Let's see what else is around here. So let's just see. We got this street. Hello. Hello. That looks pretty cool too. So that was our focus right there. Nice people, really nice people in Macau. There's a tea shop. Let's see if this is Rua. This is another street that we could be walking down as well. Probably will be walking down the street in a minute. I think this is the one I was kind of walking towards, one that had some nice artwork everywhere. And I think this is in this area. I see some light blues and pastel colors. So let's just go down a little bit further. We'll just see if this is Rua do Teatro. Yeah, it is. I can just see it. So that was our focus right there. Nice little cross street. Kind of a busy one. And we're going to continue on. There's a China tea shop right there. It's pretty cool too. So we're still on Rua do Teatro. So we're going to keep on walking down it. Yeah, there's some really nice people in Macau. Camera friendly as well, like not anti-camera, kind of indifferent. Cotai. It's a nice looking shop right there too. Oh yeah, that's one with all the artwork that I wanted to film. that other street. So we will film that one next. So we'll just see if Rua do. This is actually Rua do Bispo Inês. So this would be at the end of the street, and it comes out to hotel at the end. And I'm going to film that one next. So that's all Rua do Teatro, and then that one will end. Then this is a different street, and it comes out to Pont 16. That one. Let's walk all the way to the end, since it's not too far from here. Then you can see this main street. Foodful Dating. It's another hotel here. Foodful Dating. Foodful Dating. Food for dating. Foodful. Okay. Kind of cool bamboo. We're gonna keep on going all the way down. I'm pretty sure that this is going to be it's definitely the end of the street, but it's also it's like a seafood restaurant right here, and then that's going to be the port. So you got this kind of busy street here. So there you go. Pont 16. It's also a hotel. Got a bus coming through, so kind of a main street down that way, and then this would be the end of our street, so we'll just end it right there. Hope you like this one as well.